Okay, let us do this problem. This is a conversion. How will you convert this molecule, that is a acetal, so this is a benzaldehyde, this molecule benzaldehyde to CH2PH. I don't know the name. I am really weak in nomenclature. I only depend upon common nomenclature. I remember the IUPAC nomenclature. Even I don't try to write the IUPAC nomenclature. If I remember some of the nomenclature, common nomenclature, I have done up to now the things, and in future I also do. Basically most of the common nomenclatures are used. Okay, so let us do this program. You have to, how will you convert this molecule to this molecule? I will give you a hint. So you see, you have to add CH2PH. So what can you do? So you can use Grignard reagent, PHCH2 minus. If you use Grignard reagent and then H plus and then oxidation, you will get the compound. But if you do oxidation, do you remember in benzene ring, if you have something and if you do oxidation, it finally converts into a COOH. So oxidation will be not a good idea. Anything else? Can we do something else? Any other idea? So let us try. You try this one and then we'll discuss. Okay, let us discuss the solution. This is slightly interesting problem. So first let us make an acetal. So if I make a acetal, now I have a hydrogen. If I treat with butyl lithium, so this butyl minus will take H plus. This is slightly difficult task because this hydrogen is not very acidic. So what can we do? If I treat with butyl lithium, I don't have any other option. If I treat with butyl lithium, I have only one hydrogen. This hydrogen I can take. If I take this hydrogen, I will have a negative charge here. A negative charge here, if I treat with PHCH2Br, negative charge will attack, so this Br will goes. So I will have CH2PH. Now if I do hydrolysis, this is acetal, so let us write this one and then we'll go next. So in first step, you are forming a acetal, that is OH, CH2OH. Now this is acetal. Now if you treat with butyl lithium, this will take H plus because this is a stronger base. Even though this is not a good acid, but it will form, this is coming from butane. So this is coming from butane. This is have oxygen here, so slightly acidic. So this hydrogen may be acidic. Even this is more acidic than butane. That is of course true, because this hydrogen is, in butane you have carbon attached, hydrogen attached to the carbon, and only carbon you have there. But now you have oxygen also. This hydrogen is of course more acidic than this. So this will take hydrogen from here. Now it will form a negative charge. It attacks here. You will get this. Now next, I can do hydrolysis of this compound. So if I have basically acetal, now if I do hydrolysis, I will get back, that is the CO group. So what we have done in this reaction, in this question is, we have first formed an acetal and then deprotonation, and then alkylation and then hydrolysis. So the next step, what we have done, so this is a deprotonation step and this is alkylation step and then hydrolysis step. So we have done basically protected the aldehyde group. So I cannot use a PHMGBr initially. In that case I will attack and I will get alcohol, and if I try to reduce alcohol, I will get basically acid, because anything attached on the pH group gets into acid. Are you getting or not? So I have taken H plus using butyl lithium. So this is a special kind of a reaction. Even I was not knowing what can I do. Okay, so let us discuss this problem here itself. Write down and then we go for the next problem. So what are the steps we followed? We followed formation of acetal to protecting the aldehyde, and then deprotonation, then alkylation, then hydrolysis. This is the final steps. Okay, we'll go for the next problem. So this is a preparation question. Generally these days people are not asking how will you prepare the molecule, but still you have to, it helps a lot to remembering the reactions. If you want to remember the reaction, preparation is a good idea. Even if you are going on the auto, you can think, how can I prepare alcohol from aldehyde? You ask your question, how can I prepare alkene from alkene? This kind of question you keep asking. It helps a lot to understand the organic chemistry very fast, Very soon you will be able to understand the organic chemistry, because first remembering the reaction is important, then other things comes. If you don't remember the reaction, mechanism has no use. Basically, mechanism comes only when it helps to remembering the reaction. You must have some idea of reaction. Otherwise, only knowing the mechanism, it's not possible to write everything. Even you cannot learn all mechanism if you don't know the reaction. It's my feeling. You have to know the reaction, then you will get the deep understanding of mechanism. Did you or not? So you see the everyday bus is going. Now let us say, for example of a bus, you are habituated how the bus, then you are interested how engines works, what is the function of diesel there, what is the function of petrol there. Then you keep asking the question, because you know how a bus functions. If you does not know how a bus functions, you are not going to ask a question how the engine function, what the use of petrol. So first you know the information, and then you start asking the question, how this, why this. Are you getting or not? We'll go for the next problem.